Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2014 BMW X1. To begin this project, you will need a 10mm socket to take off the battery bracket itself that is across the battery itself first. And be careful too with this little thing that's snuck down into this thing. It pops right on out. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal first, which is also known as the ground, which is the safest thing to do first. And you will need a 10mm socket to do this first. Your next step is to proceed to the positive terminal and do the same exact thing with your 10mm socket and loosen up that bolt as well for the positive terminal. Now you're able to get the power grid off the top of the battery itself. Now you have access to the battery. If you're looking for a battery for this particular vehicle, or you're looking for any other battery for any vehicle, jump over to our website, batteryguyz.com, to get the same exact battery delivered to your house and save yourself anywhere between 25 and 50% off, free delivery as well. And there's a battery bracket that is holding down this battery. It's a 13mm socket that you would need. It's a bolt that is directly on the side of this battery. You want to go ahead and loosen that up. Once you get that battery bracket free, you can take it out, and then the battery itself will be easily just to lift up out of the vehicle itself. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation with a Z, and we're adding great value today, showing you exactly step by step how to install your battery in your 2014 BMW X1. We just ask for one favor: give us a thumbs up, showing your support of the video of helping you out through this procedure right here as well. By giving us a thumbs up, it actually pushes the video into the algorithm to show other people across the world as well how to install this battery into your 2014 BMW X1. Likewise, share the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel as well, because we are uploading daily videos of all makes and models of vehicles. Not only that, we're showing you step by step as well how to get into the recycling and reconditioned battery business. If you're looking for a change of career or a business opportunity for you and your family where you can have some leisure time and make some really good money, think about getting into the reconditioned battery business. As you know, batteries retail now, we're in year 2024, the average cost of a battery now is $200. And we have the same exact battery we can ship directly to your house. Save you anywhere between 25 and 50% off, depending on where you're located at. Free delivery. Likewise, every battery that is bought on batteryguyz.com, you get a free pair of gloves, a funnel, and a free quart of battery dust sulfator solution that will help extend the life of your battery as well. It's a $30 value that you get for free that we give to all our customers, just for your appreciation for showing your green effort of recycling and using reconditioning by saving the environment. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2014 BMW X1. This is the AGM battery, meaning that you don't have to put any type of maintain this battery itself. So what we're doing first, we're going to go ahead and get that power grid back onto this battery itself, and we're going to go ahead and connect the positive terminal first. Use your 10mm socket and tighten up that bolt. Just turn it clockwise until you feel it tightens up. So our next step is that we're going to go ahead and put in that battery bracket, which is the front of the battery itself or on the side, however you want to see it. And just push that battery bracket flush down onto the bottom of that box itself. So what we're doing now, there is a airflow tube that is connected with this battery. So I guess the customer actually did not have this connected. So we actually got some extra little tubes that you can connect with the tubing that we keep on hand. So we're going to take this little black little tube itself and connect it to the hose, and we're going to stick it on the side of the battery, which is like an overflow. So we're taking that little tube, we're going to stick it on the side of the battery. That's probably why the customer had some issue with this battery as well, because none of those tubes was connected when we actually took the battery out. So what you want to do now, you want to go ahead and use your 13mm socket and tighten up that bolt, which is tightening up that battery bracket. And then you want to go ahead and put up your negative terminal back onto that negative battery post, and use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt. Just turn it clockwise until you feel it tighten up. Last step, just put the battery bracket right above the battery itself. Tighten up that bracket. And this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2014 BMW X1. We'd like to thank you for watching on batteryguyzwithaz.com. Again, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.